Hey everyone, it's me, the Megan Marie. I'm here today to bring you a fun little experiment, but also a very important one. This is the HealthyWiser pH Health test strips. So this is what they look like. I have the box over on the counter there, next to the candle. So you're probably wondering, why are you doing this? Why do I test pH and why is it healthy to test pH? Well, it's simple. If your pH is too acidic, it can cause energy drain, headaches and indigestion, bone degeneration, muscle loss, and insulin sensitivity that results in waist gain too, but mostly weight gain, and increased risk for diabetes. And if your pH is too alkaline or basic, it can cause nerve and joint pain, arthritis, insomnia, and body stiffness. And I was so excited to get to try this and to see if my pH is too acidic, because I actually have a brain injury and I have constant headaches. So I'm also wondering, and it's been about like a year and a half, it happened in July of 2014. So I'm wondering if, in addition to the brain injury, that possibly my pH is a bit too acidic, and that's why I still have headaches ongoing. I've had my current headache for about 5 weeks now, 6 weeks. So I'm hoping that maybe this is it and I can solve it by balancing out my pH. So in addition to saliva, which is you either have to test your own pH by saliva or urine, and I'm just going to go ahead and test my saliva, which is the green cup. We also have Coca-Cola, water, salt water, milk, and I had to go festive because it is December, eggnog. So we're going to test all of the others, and then we're going to test my own. Take the lid off. So then you just pull out your test strip, and it's got the 2 testing fields on this side, and they have the result reader on the back here. So we're going to test the Coca-Cola first. Ooh, it fizzed when it did that. So gonna go ahead and say it's pretty much a 4.5. That is pretty acidic, just as I guessed. I mean, it's Coca-Cola. So then just grab the next one, and we're gonna test. This is the salt water. I'm gonna go ahead and guess this is slightly acidic. It is salt, so looks like it's about 5.5. Yeah, looks about right. Between 5 and 5.5 probably. So that's pretty cool. Actually, it's a little bit more acidic than I had expected, honestly. So then we just grab the next one, and standard water. I'm hoping this is pretty neutral, but we'll see. Oh. So it looks like it's a bit acidic. This is just standard tap water, and I could be wrong, but I think I remember from science class that it looks like it's changing a bit. So we're probably at like a 5.75-ish now. But either way, that's I always thought that water was supposed to be about 7, so it's a bit acidic than I had anticipated and was hoping. So next up, we have milk. Maybe a white liquid wasn't the best to use. This one's a bit hard to tell, but I can tell it was a little green on the top. The bottom doesn't really match any of them, but it is sitting right at about On the top, it's probably about 6.75, but the bottom doesn't really match anything, so I'm not quite sure exactly what that is. Maybe a 7, so maybe it's about neutral. And then next up, I pull another one out. Oh, they're all coming out. All right. We're going to try the eggnog. I wonder what eggnog's going to be. Yeah, I think white liquids was probably a bad idea. Look at this. It's so bad. It's kind of hard to tell because I chose bad colors of liquids. It's kind of got the same thing going on with the milk. Probably about right there. Just the bottom color doesn't match. I think as long as one of the colors matches, it's alright. So then, the moment of truth. My own pH. I'm sorry, you guys have to see my spit. See where I'm at here. Looks kind of right. I'm gonna go ahead and guess I'm about it. Well, it's kind of green, so like a 7.25. Yeah. So I'm just about neutral. So I'm actually kind of pleased by that, and also kind of disappointed because that just means I'm still having headaches for the original reason, but it is great to know, and I'm definitely going to have a couple guinea pigs in this house between my husband and my brother-in-law. Yeah, these are the HealthyWiser pH test strips. You get 100 strips in a pack, and it comes with the reader, all 100 strips, and a nice plastic case. So definitely check these out. You can't go wrong just knowing where you stand on the pH level, and it's definitely a healthy thing to do, and I'll definitely be doing this at random intervals just to see if it changes. And it suggests to do it after, or wait 2 hours after eating, which I did. I actually haven't eaten yet today. It's like 2 o'clock. But I'm gonna try it after eating, not as a, I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna take that with a grain of salt, but I'm just curious what it does after you eat. So once again, this is a HealthyWiser pH test strips for saliva and urine. It's super sensitive, and they test from a pH of 4.5 to 9.0. Results in 15 seconds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.